What if I told you there's a tool that can instantly transform your images into stunning, eye-catching visuals, making your content more engaging? Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone looking to elevate your videos, AI is redefining creativity like never before. In this video, we'll explore some incredible AI tools from Artlist, including their game-changing AI image to video generator. Now I'll start by showing you 3 short videos, each showcasing an image to video example. Let's see if you can spot the examples in each clip.
What a perfect day for a swim. I've been looking forward to this all day. Wait, what the? Is that a shark? Yeah, I think I'll pass today. I love being out here, exploring the wild and quietly observing small mammals as they go about their lives. But I've learned to always stay alert, because not everything out here is easy to spot, and some creatures can be dangerous.
So let's go over video 1. The story follows someone ready to dive in for a swim, only to spot a shark fin slicing through the water. Needless to say, he quickly decides that soaking up the sun on the boat is a much better plan. For this story, I thought it would be fun to use the AI to generate a realistic shark fin, something that would have been way harder to pull off. So the way I did it is I first filmed the entire scene, making sure to capture all of the shots I needed. Then I took a clean shot of the seawater from the boat to add the shark fin later on. And once I had all of the footage, I loaded it into the editing software, applied a nice color grade, and grabbed a still frame from the empty seawater shot and uploaded that to Artlist's AI image to video generator with the following prompt. A calm open body of water under soft daylight. Gentle ripples move across the surface. Slowly a dark shark fin begins to emerge from beneath the water in the center of the frame, gliding forward and cutting through the waves. Subtle shadows and realistic water movements add tension to the peaceful scene. Now when it comes to creating your prompt, you can use ChatGPT to refine it. It's also a good idea to upload the still image to ChatGPT so it can analyze it and help you craft the best prompt possible for the image to video AI generator. Now I was quite lucky, I got it right on the first try. The results turned out great, and to make it even better, I added music and sound effects using Artlist's massive music and sound effects library. And to top it all off, I added a voiceover, which made the video more engaging.
What a perfect day for a swim.
And thanks to Artlist's AI voiceover, I was able to create a natural professional narration in no time. So let's now break down video number 2. For this one, I wanted to include a time lapse. I followed the same process as before, filming all the necessary shots and capturing an extra shot of the palm trees to turn it into a time lapse. I then uploaded a still frame from it to the Artlist AI image to video generator and created that time lapse using this prompt. Create a smooth time lapse video starting from this image of tall palm trees under a bright blue sky with scattered clouds. Animate the clouds drifting slowly across the sky, sunlight shifting subtly to simulate the passage of time. Add gentle swaying motion to the palm fronds as if moved by a light breeze. Keep the overall look cinematic and dreamy, maintaining the color tones and soft lighting seen in the original image. I immediately got great results on the first try and used that in the video. To me, it looked super realistic. I was able to transform this shot into a time-lapse video. And usually when shooting a time-lapse in the traditional way, you have to know your settings. You also need the right weather condition, and it can take a lot of time. And if you're in a hurry, this is actually a great option to show the passage of time. All right, so let's now move on to the third video. The story follows an explorer who loves to observe wildlife and reminds viewers to stay alert. Some animals are hard to spot. Then he gets bitten by a snake he didn't see coming. For this scene, I wanted to create a realistic snake, which would have been much more difficult without AI. Spotting snakes in the wild is already a challenge, and with the current cold weather here, there weren't even present in that area. So I stuck to the same process as before and grabbed a close-up shot of the ground where I wanted the snake to appear. Honestly, I wasn't sure if it would work, but I was blown away by how realistic the snake turned out using this prompt. Add a lifelike snake into this dry, sandy sea. The snake should be a western diamondback rattlesnake about 4 feet long with a light tan body and dark brown diamond pattern outlined in white running down its back. Its scaly texture should reflect the bright sunlight, and it should cast a soft, accurate shadow on the ground. Animate the snake entering from the bottom left, moving slowly and smoothly in an S-shaped slither. Make sure the snake interacts naturally with the environment, lightly disturbing the sand as it moves. The lighting, texture, and shadow should match the existing bright daylight conditions perfectly. Now, this definitely took me a few different prompts to get the results I wanted. The first attempt turned out super strange, almost like an alien creature, which might have been perfect for a science fiction film. But after the third generated prompt, it turned out really great. I created the video in 1080p like with all the other AI generated videos, which is currently the highest quality available, and I selected 10 seconds for the total length. And that also gave me room to select the best portion in that video. And just like that, I was able to use it in my video, and honestly, I think it turned out great. Sure, I could have searched for stock footage, but that would have taken way longer, especially when it comes to fitting it with the environment. Also, hiring a visual effects artist would have been expensive and way more time consuming. Now, once again, I used the AI voiceover from Artlist for my video narration, and I think it turned out awesome.
But I've learned to always stay alert.
The sound effects and music were all from Artlist too. And by the way, if you're looking for trending songs, Artlist has a new feature that lets you find similar tracks to the trending ones and use them copyright-free in your video project. And this is a total game changer because using trending songs can often lead to copyright issues, but with these similar tracks, you can keep the same vibe in your videos and boost your chances of getting more views. Using AI tools from Artlist can truly speed up your content creation process. They're perfect for sparking new ideas. Sometimes all it takes is a simple prompt to unlock your creativity. AI really makes it easier than ever to achieve results that once required costly equipment, unique locations, or an entire visual effects team. The image to video AI generator isn't perfect, so you might need to adjust your prompts to get the results you want. It takes some practice, but with the help from ChatGPT to refine your prompts, it becomes much easier. Also, by uploading your own image helps keep a consistent look in your videos, which is often simpler than relying only on text to image generator, especially if you want to match the tone with your scene. Now, AI can speed up production, but it can't replace authentic storytelling or the emotional depth of traditional filmmaking. It's a super powerful tool, but the creative vision always starts with you. So I highly recommend you experiment and discover how to blend AI technology with your own creativity because it's here to stay. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you use AI for your content creation needs? If so, which one? Drop a comment below. Now, if you're curious about Artlist, be sure to check out the link below. Signing up through my link will get you an extra 2 months for free. And if you're looking to discover more AI tools to make your workload easier, I've got an awesome video for you right here that you can check out. Thanks for tuning in. Take care and see you in the next one.